Welcome to GuitarsOne, Fausto Cruz. This is my shop, and I just received this iRig HD, and I'm gonna open this. Let's see what's inside. Okay, this is a cool interface. I used to have the old one, and the old one seriously was terrible. This is just like that was just here under the headphones, the iPad, and it was terrible. But that's okay. I mean, and I had the iRig stamp, which was really cool. It's really cool. I'm still using this. I have the iRig blue board. Hey, these guys should pay me, right? Come on, man. Okay, let's see. This is iRig HD for iPhone. This is a digital interface. It's not like the analog one. Let's see what's inside. Okay. Oh, cool. It's a cool black box made in Italy. Cool. We have the register, and you need to use this one in order to get your serial number and download the apps for free. You have a really cool apps here, and amplitude. Okay, let's follow the instructions. Hey, 30-pin cable not included. Come on. Oh, this is for the, I guess this is for the iPhone, the old one or something. I don't know. Let's take a look here. Okay, this is a way to plug your iPad, iPhone, and your Mac. Okay, let's see. When you look at these, blue, red, okay, green, orange, the 1/4 inch cable. Okay, this is for the speakers. Okay, these are the adapters, left and right. Okay, let's see. Cool. What is that? Oh, this is cool. More products. If you wanna buy something, you can go to my website, GuitarsOne.com. I have a special offer for you. This will be better and cheaper than even Guitar Center, for sure, I guarantee. Okay, let's see. I like the boxes here, but hey, I can open this one. Come on. Oh, here you go. Oh, nice. Look at this. Cool, right? Look at this. Okay. Let's take this. Oh man, that's great. It feels like kind of rubber. I'm not sure if you can see here. The iRig is for 1/4 inch for guitar, and it goes to the iPhone, iPad, here, and it has a gain here. That's it, just simple and basic. Okay, let's see where the cables are. Let's see. I'm sure the cable should be here. Okay, let's see what we have. Okay, we have 2 cables here. Oh, this is for the lightning. It's awesome. And this is for USB for the computer. I'm gonna use the lightning right now. I'm gonna open my amplitude on my iPad. Let me see if you can see my iPad. Is that okay? Oh yeah, it's cool. Wait, I want to go a little bit here. Yes. Okay. Let's see. This is really cool. I mean, you can use amplitude. Look at all my effects, amps, pedals. I have everything here. Speakers. I don't like the OCD. Well, I like the OCD, but it's really heavy, but it's awesome, you know.